Yo, so what's going on guys, it's your boy Laser Gaming, welcome back to another GTA 5 video. So as I'm sure you guys are aware, a couple of days ago Rockstar Games released a brand new trailer for the Gun Running DLC update, and going off the feedback it seems like all of you guys are extremely hyped for this DLC, including myself. However, if there's one thing that we've all taken from this trailer is that it's not going to be cheap whatsoever. I guarantee you guys will need millions if you guys are looking to buy the best items from this DLC. Don't worry though, I've got you guys covered. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys an absolutely insane unlimited solo money making method that all of you guys will be able to grind out straight away and literally make millions every single day from this method. So as always, if this video does help you out in any way, shape or form and you do want to see me post more epic unlimited money making methods like this in the future, all I ask is you drop a like down below and feel free to subscribe as I do post daily GTA 5 videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so if you guys watched yesterday's video, I did show you guys an awesome glitch that allowed you guys to get an empty public session by yourself every single time. So if you guys want to do the special crates or the MC businesses, which are both currently offering 25% more money, then you could do so without any stress and any headache. I will leave a link to that video down low in the description in case you guys haven't seen it. However, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fill up your MC businesses in the quickest amount of time possible. I'm talking about making an insane $35,000 every 30 seconds. So if you guys do some quick maths, you'll be able to make over $500,000 in under 10 minutes, which is just absolutely insane. So don't forget, if you guys do want to see me cover more videos like this in the future, especially with the Gun Running DLC coming out next week, be sure to smash that thumbs up button to show you guys do enjoy these type of videos, and I will definitely be sure to post more in the future. And like I said, if you guys haven't subscribed already yet and you're GTA 5 player, what the fuck are you doing with your life? Nonetheless, the first thing, obviously, you guys want to own one of these businesses. Now, I have done a full breakdown guide on all of these businesses and how much they can earn individually. So I will leave a link to that biker guide down low in the description in case you guys don't own a business. But I can tell you guys now, straight off the top of my head, the best earning businesses are the Cocaine Factory first and the Meth Lab second. So straight away, I'm going to suggest you get one of these two businesses. It does work with the other labs as well, like the Weed Farm or the Forgery Farm, but these won't earn you as much. And of course, you guys are going to want to earn as much possible in the quickest amount of time possible. Now with me, I actually own the Coke Lab and the Meth Lab, so what you can actually do is do them both at the same time to double your money. So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do that as well in this video. And going off feedback from previous money guides, you guys seem to really appreciate when I break down these guides as if I just came online myself for the first time. So as you guys can see online, I'm here in my cocaine lockup and I've got 0 supplies. However, I've got 245k worth of product. Now it doesn't matter how much products you've got in your business already made, it matters on how much supplies you've got. So what you guys want to do if you've got 0 supplies is go ahead and do a steal supply mission. So you basically got a minimum of 2 supply bars. We're going to need at least 2 supply bars in any of our businesses to do this method straight away. The more bars you have, the better. However, you just need a minimum of 2 bars in your business, so you can do this mission solo. However, as you guys can see, I actually done it with a couple friends, so I guaranteed I at least had 4 bars in my business once we done this supply run. So fast forward in this gameplay, as you guys can see, I actually just went and sat AFK and let my crew members crack on with the MC work while I edit this video. And as you guys can see, they've just resupplied my Cocaine Factory. Now as soon as I enter back into my Cocaine Factory, I've already got some supplies there waiting to be transferred into product as quick as possible. And how we're going to do so is very, very easy indeed. You guys are going to be mind blown to see how easy and straightforward this method is. So all you guys want to do, once you've got some product in your business, is simply go straight onto your laptop and you want to go to steal supplies, and then once it kicks you out of your business, you're going to get a call from LJT. Listen to this phone call, count to 5 seconds. As soon as 5 seconds ends, after you've hanged up the phone, simply press start and go ahead and find a new session. Now for some weird reason, because we went and found a new session, it's going to automatically convert some of our supplies into product, and because we've got all the upgrades in the Cocaine Factory, it's going to produce it 3 times quicker. So as you guys saw, I had 245k in my Coke locker. However, when I go back to it right now, I've got 280k, so I've managed to make 35k in less than 1 minute. And if you guys thought that was good enough, simply go ahead and repeat the process again. So I go ahead onto my laptop, steal supplies, answer the phone call from LJT as soon as it kicks me from the business, wait about 5 seconds after the phone call finishes, simply press start, go ahead, find a new session, wait about 10-20 seconds, bang, it should put you down the road from your business, jump back on your bike, go back to your business, and bang, another 35k made as easy as that. Now my product is worth 315k. And just to prove to you guys that this method is 100% unlimited, I go ahead and do it yet again. Steal supplies, wait 5 seconds, find a new session, back to my business, and my product has gone up from 315 all the way up to 350k. So in the short 5 minutes of me recording this video, I've already made over 100k, and that is the flat rate base. By the way, your product will sell for more when you sell it in the opposite county, so that 350k is more like 525k, because don't forget we've also got the 25% bonus cash out that Rockstar Games are currently offering with this special promotion going on all the way up until the gun running release date on the 13th. So you guys have definitely got to get on your grind and make the most of this. Now I know you guys are going to have a few questions which I'm going to cover right now. You guys might not own all of the upgrades in the business, so you might be wondering how much will a certain business make if I haven't got all the upgrades. So I'm going to let you guys know all about that right now before I cover the best way to actually make the final sell without any stress, so you can get it done in the quickest amount of time. So as you guys can see right here, I've moved away from my cocaine lockup over to my meth lockup. Now in the meth lockup, I only own 1 out of the 3 upgrades, and that's the security upgrade, and the other 2 upgrades are the staff and the extra facilities. And both of these 2 extra things which I don't own are actually the 2 things that increase the rate of your product. So if you guys are going to buy a new cocaine business or a new meth lab just to do this method right here, don't buy the security. What you're better off doing is buying the extra staff or buying the extra facilities, because that's actually going to help you guys make money more quicker. But just to prove to you guys how much you can actually earn if you don't own those 2, which is still very good considering how much time it takes to do this method, ends up being about 15-16k every minute, which is still extremely good. But of course the cocaine factory earns us the max 35k with the supplies. But like I said, if you guys maybe don't have the money for the upgrades, you still will be able to earn a very nice amount of money from grinding this method. So I go ahead, as you guys saw, I had 14,000 worth of product in my meth lab. I simply went over to my laptop, steal supplies, answered the phone call from LJT, waited about 5 seconds or so, press start, go down, find a new session, puts me in a new session. As soon as I head back into my meth lab, my product has gone up from 14k all the way up to 30k, as easy as that. And I simply go ahead and repeat the process again. It goes up from 30k to 44k. And just to prove to you guys that I'm still earning this very nice boost with only 1 upgrade, as soon as I enter back into my meth lab, when I go on my laptop, as you guys can see here, it allows me to purchase 2 of the 3 upgrades, which I didn't want to purchase because I was making such good money from my cocaine lockup already. This was just as an extra, and I'll explain to you guys why I decided to do 2 businesses at the same time rather than just doing the cocaine factory over and over again. However, as you guys can see, I repeat it once again, up from 44k up to 60k. And like I said, this works with every single business in the game. So if you guys don't currently own one of the cocaine lockups, I would definitely go ahead and invest in one of them, because you will be earning, like I said, over $500,000 every time you do this. And as you guys can see by the gameplay, it works every single time. I have never failed once doing this method. However, after about 10-15 minutes or so, you should be able to fill up your meth lab, and then once you guys have filled up your methamphetamines lab, this will be worth another $446,000. So already in this video alone, when I combine the sale of my cocaine lockup and my meth lockup, I'm going to be making $971,000. So just under a very nice round $1 million, which is absolutely insane. However, now you've got your businesses filled up to the brim, you need to go ahead and make the final sale so you can actually convert all that product into hard-earned cash, or easy-earned cash in this case. So my best method of finding a solo session is very easy, and the best part about this method is it does also work on the Xbox One, which I play on. I've seen a lot of people throwing out these methods like, oh, change the date, open a different app, and all these different methods. Yeah, they are good, but they don't work on the Xbox Xbox One, so there's no point of trying to tell me a method that only works on one platform. I'd rather cover a method that works on every single platform. So this method right here to get a solo session 100% works on every single platform, and all you guys want to do is go ahead and create a playlist and add one race to the playlist. Now the one race you guys want to add is Criminal Records, because it is one of the quickest races, so you want to just get it out the way as quick as possible. Now once you guys have created the playlist, in my case I call the playlist why, just simply go ahead and complete the race in the playlist. Now once you guys complete the race, you're going to get greeted with this menu right here. Simply go ahead and like the race, and then as soon as you guys agreed with this playlist menu, you want to press restart. Now give it about 10-20 seconds, it should restart the playlist. However, once you guys get put back into the playlist lobby, simply back out from here and then bang. As easy as that. You guys are now the host of your own public lobby, so you can simply go ahead and make as many sales as you want without any headache or any stress from any players coming over to you trying to destroy your product. And if you guys ever do find yourself in a situation where someone is coming next to you when you're making a final sale, if you're on the Xbox, simply dashboard very quickly. If you guys are able to dashboard within 30 seconds of your product being destroyed, then it will only count as like a quarter of the bar being destroyed, so you can simply reload GTA 5 online and you'll only lose out on about 40k rather than losing out on the whole 500,000, which can be a fucking annoyance. Now of course I don't think you guys need me to tell you this, but if you guys have one of these businesses, then you know the more product you have will require more drivers. Usually you'll need between 3 to 4 delivery drivers, so do be sure to leave a comment down below, help each other out. What you're better off doing is all filling up your businesses at the same time and then just all making the sales in the same public session, because don't forget the associates are also going to be getting around 30k for every sale, which only take about 5 minutes. So definitely be sure to leave a comment down below in this video, leave whatever console you play on, your gamer tag and your PSN. Like I said, put together a good little group of you guys. You only need about 3-4 of you. All of you fill up your warehouses, then you can all make the sale in the same solo public session and you'll all be making millions right at the same time. Or if you guys do prefer, I will be kicking some inactive members from my GTA 5 crews. You're more than welcome to come and join one of my crews. We have tons of active members, always up for grinding money and helping each other out. I have 3 different crews: Laser Gaming PC, Laser Gaming PS4 and Laser Gaming X1. I will leave a link to all 3 down low in the description. Please only join the console on the platform you guys play on, because I can see if PSN players have joined the Xbox crew and likewise with the Xbox One crew. However, as you guys can see here, once we go ahead and make the final sale, just to whack that guy for trying to salute me in the video, but as you guys can see, 540k made as easy as that. And you guys might be thinking, wait, how come you got 540 and you was only meant to get 525? That's because there was a few random players in our session, so you do get a little cash bonus for every player that's in your game. A good little tip I will give you is, if you get a high ranker in your game and he's a CEO and he's in like a buzzard or something and you don't really trust him, simply just text all of your crew or all of your MC at the same time and say kick and then add that person's name, just so you can all press start and kick him from the game, because that's the last thing you want is some random solo warrior coming over to you blowing up all your product. However, as you guys can see on screen, as soon as we made the coke sale and I got that nice 540k, I headed straight over to my meth lab and went ahead and made the final sale from this. So that's another great thing about these MC businesses. If you guys are usually used to grinding at vehicle warehouses, one of the most annoying things about those is you have to wait half an hour every time you make a final sale, whereas with these MC businesses there's no cooldown period. That's the reason why I prefer to do the meth and the coke at the same time, as I'm able to kill 2 birds with the 1 stone, and it's only about 100k difference between the coke and the meth lab, so that way I'll be able to earn an extra 400k for something that only takes me about 10-15 minutes to do, which I think we can all agree is extremely good. But you guys know me, good is good, but I like to do great, so instead of getting 400k, I ended up getting 545k from the meth sale as well, so easily an extra 150k near enough, and that was basically from me completing the sale with up to 17 players in my session. So what you guys can actually do is when you're making these final sales, head over to the boats or the bikes, whatever, and when you're about 5 minutes away from making the sale, you can just spam out invites and fill up the lobby, because you guys, like I said, can earn up to 100k extra just from having players in your lobby. And if one of them do come over to to you and try and destroy you, like I said before, just quickly dashboard so you don't lose anything. So it's completely up to you whether you want to make this sale in a solo empty session by yourself and still earn very, very good money, easily make millions from this, like 500k a sale, or if you guys do want to take the risk of earning an extra 100k by doing this final sale, just do it in a public session with your crew. Either way, you guys will be able to stack up a serious amount of money using this method. Nonetheless, that is going to do it for me, guys. An absolutely insane unlimited solo money making method that all of you guys can grind out as of right now on the Xbox One, PS4 and PC. If this video has helped you out in any way, shape or form, and I'm pretty sure it goddamn has, considering the gun running DLC isn't going to be cheap whatsoever, all I ask is return the favor by clicking the thumbs up down below, hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you guys get notified every time I upload a video. That's going to do it for me, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.